come through slash, come through bone straight. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, thank you so much for stopping by. My name is Vanessa and you're welcome to my channel. So today's video, we're going to be creating a holiday inspired, Christmas inspired makeup look using only Makeup Revolution product. We're going to be doing a full face of Makeup Revolution products. Why am I demonstrating? Why? Makeup Revolution is like one of my favorite brands. I don't know, I like their products and all that. So let's get into this makeup because we are about to get glammed, baby. The first thing we're going to do is moisturize this lips because we be looking ashy, baby. Ashy and ashy lips. Okay, we don't want that over there. Over here. I'm going to do my brows off camera. I don't have any products from Makeup Revolution, so let's do these brows and come back to do the face. Okay, so we're done with these brows. Not completely done though, like I still need to clean up the top part of my brows, but I'm going to do that when I start applying my foundation. But now I don't know if I should do my face first or my eyes first, let me just do my eyes first because I want my face to be looking like really fresh by the time I'm done. But I'm going to be using this palette from Makeup Revolution. It's the Makeup Revolution Courage Wild Animal palette, and this is what it looks like. I really love this palette. I've been using it for a while now and this has just been, you know, amazing. This is what the palette looks like. Let me turn this on. Yes, this is what it looks like. It's quite neutral and you guys know I'm a neutral girl. I'm going to put some concealer on my lid and then just to serve as a base for my shadow. So you guys know this is like a Christmas dinner or like Christmas dinner party, Christmas outing kind of makeup look. So we're going to be doing something really bronzy and gold-ish and all that. I'm going to take this brown shade first, this one here. I'm going to take this and put that on in my crease. This is going to be my first color. So next I'm going to take the other brown shade, this one right here, and put that on the outer crease area. I don't like doing too much when it comes to my shadow. Like if I'm going out, I barely wear shadow. I just do maybe put some bronzer on my lids, my eyelids, and I'm good to go. Put some lashes and I'm good. This palette has a lot of followers, but I'm going to blend this out now with a fluffy brush. I just wish this palette had a black to intensify the looks, but it doesn't have a black. It just has browns that are a little bit ashy. Now I'm going to cut my crease with some concealer. So next I'm going to take this gold shadow here. It's a really bronzy gold shade. I don't know if you guys can see it, but this is the shadow I'm talking about. It might not focus. I really like this shadow. I've used it before and I loved it. So I'm going to put that all over my lid. This light is not doing justice to this makeup look. Let me just, okay, I think this is better. I think you guys can see the shadow better now. I'm going to take that first brown shade and blend out the edge of this. To take this shade here, this is like a brown shade as well, but it's what you call it, shimmery. It's like a brown shimmery shade. I'm going to put this at the end. But this is basically it. I'm just going to line my eyes and do like a little wing. And I'm using this gel liner from Usher's. Can you focus? Can you? I applied my lashes. I'm using this 25mm lashes from Wink Lashes. I don't know why my camera is not focusing today, but I cannot even be bothered, you guys. So now to the exciting part, the face. We're going to be doing our face now. I have like a lot of Makeup Revolution based products, you guys, like quite a lot. I'm not going to be priming today. I'm going to be setting my face first of all with this Makeup Revolution loose setting powder in medium pink to like get rid of oil and shine and help our makeup last, basically. This setting powder is like in the wrong shade. I got this in a giveaway, by the way. I didn't buy it because there's no way I would go out to buy like a medium pink setting powder, because this is for light skinned people. I'm going to be using this Makeup Revolution Conceal and Hydrate Radiant Foundation. I did a review of on this foundation like some months back. I'm going to link it up here if you want to see the review and what the foundation is like. I haven't used this like in a very long time, like in a really long time. I'm just shaking this up because it's really liquidy and it tends to separate somehow. So here, I think we're good. This is in the shade F16, by the way. F14, no, not F14, and it's a medium coverage foundation. I'm going to take some foundation and just clean up the top of my brows. So I'm going to blend this now with my brush. Okay, are we good? I think we're good. So to highlight my face, I'm going to be using the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer. This is in the shade C13. I love this concealer. Like, the foundation I can do without, but this concealer, this has been like my go-to concealer since I got it some months back. Not too bright, it dries fast. Love it. I'm going to do a little bit of contour with this Makeup Revolution matte base concealer in the shade C18. This is what it looks like. Not that much of a contour for me, but it's okay. It's just a little bit darker than my foundation, but so now we're going to tackle this concealer. So now that everything is like properly blended out, I'm going to set my face real quick with the same setting powder I used earlier on. So I'm going to set my under eye, I mean to say, not my whole face, just my under eye. And this powder is quite dry. I use like a very little amount because the powder is quite dry. And it's not really the right shade, so I don't bake with it or anything. I just set and go. Hey guys, I'm done setting my face. That powder was just not doing anything for me, so I had to go over it with another powder, like a more yellow powder, to make my under eyes look brighter. So And next up, I am going to bronze my face using this Makeup Revolution Splendor Glow Bronzer. This is in the shade Dark. Like, you guys, I waited for this for a very long time because I wanted to do a review on it, but by the time my Makeup Revolution order came, hype had died down already, so I was just like, there's no point. So yeah, I'm going to bronze now, and I really like how this bronzer makes my makeup look. It just gives me this really warmth around my face. It's just really nice. So yeah, I'm applying the bronzer all over around my cheeks and bring my contour up to my brows, because I learned this trick from Jackie Aina, and it's really like elevates your face. Like, it makes your face look somewhat lifted. I don't know, I just don't know how to explain it, but and I'm going to do that here. I love putting this bronzer on my nose because it smells so freaking good. Like, I'm going to be using this gold shade here. You guys, this gold shade here as my highlights for today. I'm doing like a really subtle highlight. I don't want too much, just a little bit. So yeah, we're almost done. Time to do the lips. So I'm going to wipe my lip first. I'm going to use this Makeup Revolution Sheer Brilliance lip gloss. If you could just focus, sis. Yeah, this is their Sheer Brilliance lip gloss, and this is in the shade Sheer Fling. I don't like this. I don't like it. I don't like it. It's not the shade I'm going for. So I'm going to take my nude lipstick. Yes, this is better. I'm going to top it up. I'm going to top it off with some gloss. But first, let me just get my hair done and, you know, get cute for you guys. We are looking cute already. We are looking cute. I'm going to add some lip gloss to my lips. This is just like regular clear lip gloss you get from anywhere, beauty shop, markets, supermarkets, wherever. So I'm going to add this because you know we love a nude glossy lip over here. So you guys, yeah, this is the final look. This is what we are looking like. We're looking cute, baby. Oh my gosh. This is our face. Oh. Wait, can you see this beauty? Can you? Guys, this is the end of the video. If you stay to the end of this video, thank you so much. Thank you for hanging out with me. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a like, a thumbs up, whatever. Subscribe to my channel. Comment down below if you are going to be rocking this look to your Christmas party. If you're going to be pulling up to the Christmas party like this, baby, let me know down below, okay? And yeah, share to your friends. So don't be stingy. Share to your friends so your friends will learn how to beat their face like this too, okay? And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Love you.